some wormies for breakfast, and then maybe like a Christmas salmon for later on TikTok. Me and Coda's morning wrestle. In your bed. Good boy. I'm sorry.
So crunchy. Back off.
One last wormy.
For me?
Of course, little man.
Totally divine. Such a treat.
Looks like Steven just gets a lot nicer around the holidays. He's sharing with the crows, he's sharing with Glenn, and he's not bit me once since I came back. Since he came back. Since we both came back. Forgot I was in Spain. Okay, so I think this might be the last kind of feeding Steven mealtime for a while because our P.O. box just ran out. And these are the last of the packages. Look at the stamp on this one. Is that a heron? Is from Japan. And then this one, this box, these two packages I have, Japan and Israel. I find that so crazy. I can't imagine people from Japan watching me feed my bird here in Scotland or Israel. Thank you to whoever sent them. How are you? I am really happy that I get a chance to make a drawing and write a letter to you and the seagull. You didn't put a name. Oh, the drawing. It says part 2 on the bottom though, and I never got part 1. Did you send a part 1? Is it just a part 2? Did you start on part 2? Thank you, I love it. Right, this one's from Israel. I don't know what could be in it. If it's food, it might have taken a while to get here, so it might not be good. I hope it's like they've made something. This was so expensive to ship. I'm sorry. It blows my mind like the lengths people go to send me something. I'm so grateful and I love being able to get to open it. But I just find it crazy. Like, I hope when I open it, like you get what it was worth to send it. Like seeing it being opened in the videos. And I don't just, you're not like, oh, that was a waste. So this was in a bag. This is a bag, and there's a bag in this bag. And there's an empty bag in that bag. It's just a bag of bags. What's in this other bag in the bag that I took out a bag that I took out a box? What's this? I love it. Did you make this? Did you buy this? It's got Steven's name on the bottom. I love this. That's amazing. Looks just like him.
Show me.
Sorry.
It's gorgeous. Can I see it a little closer? Die.
Oh, Steven.
Oh, don't bite it. This came from Israel. If you broke it, what a waste. It's actually going to go quite perfectly into my Steven collection.
Bitch.